This job is for cloud architect at Datacom in Auckland, New Zealand, and this is a full-time role. Datacom connects people and technology in order to solve challenges, create opportunities, and discover new possibilities for the communities we live in. And Datacom is one of the Australia's largest professional IT service companies. Datacom knows payroll and have been processing payroll accurately and compliantly for over 50 years. The cloud architect is a new role and in this instant is responsible for reading the cloud design and implementation of the next generation SaaS payroll product, DataPay. Datacom is modernizing the experience for their customers that sits on top of their rock solid engine. This role will suit an experienced hands-on architect with a track record of taking concept from inception to implementation. To be successful in this role, you will have proven experience as a cloud architect or similar role, designing and implementing cloud solutions in enterprise environments, extensive experience in architecture and design, strong expertise in cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Platform is required, in-depth knowledge of cloud architecture patterns, microservices, serverless computing, and containerization. Hands-on experience with cloud infrastructure provisioning, configuration management, and automation tools such as Terraform, Ansible, and Kubernetes. Confidence to engage with our stakeholders, have courageous conversations regarding needs to ensure the technology platform enables all business requirements for the future. Aptitude to mentor other people within the team and wider Datacom, providing technical guidance and leadership on projects. You will be also required to have an in-depth understanding of public cloud, hybrid cloud, cloud strategy and migrations, an understanding of application layer and development, an understanding of security best practices, data privacy and compliance frameworks such as GDPR, and a passion for automation. If you are interested, please apply on this role. Visit Datacom's website and apply from there. Thank you.